Hi, I'm Chris with Crawl Space Door Systems in Virginia Beach. Thanks for watching our videos on how to measure and install your crawl space door. Once you've opened your box and you've accounted for your frame, your screen, your louver and your cover and your hardware packet, you've installed your frame over your opening. Now I'm going to show you how to operate your door. First, you remove your pin on the left and right side. That way you can remove your cover. Now you can remove your louver system. Now you can remove your screen. And now you can access your crawl space. Now that you're finished in your crawl space, let's go ahead and put your door back together. First, you want to take your screen, put it in the frame, then your louver, then your cover, now you'll take your pin, insert it on your right side, and then you'll take your pin and insert it on your left side. And then your door is finished. So now we've disassembled the door, but you want to ventilate for the summertime. Put your screen in your frame. Put your louver system in your frame. Put your pin on the left and right side. It does come with the nylon nut for putting right here to hold the pin in. I personally do not use those all the time, so the pin is sufficient. So you've installed your frame and you've been venting all summer, and now you want to cover your air vent for the winter time. You just remove your pin on the left and right side. Put your cover over, and just as you removed everything, by removing the pins, you'll slide these pins back in place to hold everything together for the winter.